Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Attar Pangestu and my partner Muhammad Reza Satria. We from class 4 SC7 group 3 and we plan this is my presentation. We built this application, the name application population census. This is what this population census resident are people who are in the area who are bound by applicable, release and interact with each other continuously. The population of the country or region can be defined in two ways. First, people living in the area and people who are legal entitled to leave the area. And this is a step by step. First, we enter the login page. Here, we fill in the admin username and password. Then, moving on the next page, we fill in the data according to the name of the population. Then, click Save Data. And this is a view of the data we just entered. And here there is update and delete menu. If we choose update, we screen it will appear like this, and we choose delete a page, like this will appear.
And now I'm gonna explain the technical part. Here we have 5 class and 5 layout for this project. Start from the beginning. We start from the login activity. Here we have this image, to edit text, and one button. And for the code, from this we have to declare the variable input username, input password, and login button. And this is the code for the login button. We declare the username and password, and if the username is empty, this text will pop up, and if the username is admin and the password is admin 11, it will bring us to the main activity. And if the username is not admin and password is not admin 11, this text will appear. And move to the main activity layout. Here we have 5 edit text and 2 button. And for the code, we input this database from the Firebase, and this is the code for the save button. It will save data, and for the show button, it will bring us to show class. And this is the function for the save data. We declare this name from name to user ID, so it will appear like this. And before we create the show activity, we have to create the user activity. This only have 5 text view and 2 button, which is update and delete. And for the user class, this is for constructor which contain user ID, from user ID to marriage status. And move to the show activity. We only have one list view to show all the data. And for the show code, we have these three declaration reference from the Firebase, list for the list view, and list view for showing data. And on the data change function, we have these two, list clear and variable adapter, and this is for the delete function, and this is for the update function. And this is our layout for the update. We have this 5 edit text like in the main activity. And then for the code is in the adapter class. So we have to make the adapter class for update and delete function for showing the data too. This is for showing the data, so we have to declare from nama and from name to marriage status, and we have to declare the button which is update and delete, and we bring the user to the list. And this is the code for the update button and delete button. This is function for the delete button, and this is the function to show data. Oh sorry, this is a function for update data to show the dialog. We declare the builder inflator view name and from marriage. So we declare the input name to input marriage from this. As you can see, input name to input marriage to update the data. And if the input name is empty, this text will appear. And this is also applicable to all 5 data that we want to update. And then the data will construct like this. And this is the result of our project. Sorry. Wait a second. Right, so this is the interface. We log in first with admin username and admin 11 password login. Then I'll give you an example to input the data. Name is, for example, Chris, and the birth date is 4th of July 1968, and gender is male. And job is actor, and the marriage status is married. Right, and we save the data. Right, so this is appear that our data is succeed, and we do want to show the data. So sorry, the data, it is the data that we input before. So we have these two buttons, and this is the data that have been put. So if we want to update data, we have to press this button, and it will pop up this dialog. So we just for example, we want to change the name, just like this, and then we update, and then the name is changed. And if we want to delete, we just have to press this button, deleting. That is deleted, and the data is completely disappear. Right, so that's it from our group. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.